Hello everyone, welcome to Advanced Skills BD. Today I am show you sum formula in 4 levels. Number 1, beginner. Number 2, learner. Number 3, advanced. And number 4, pro. First, start with the beginner level. First, select the cell. Then type equal, then select C10 plus C11 plus 12 plus 13 plus 14 plus 15 and press enter. The result is 100. Now move to the learner level. Here we use the sum formula. First select the cell and type equal, then type sum, then first bracket seconds F10 to F15, then close bracket, press enter. The result is same 100. Now it's time for advanced level. Here I am show you the faster way to calculate totals by using sum formula. First select the cell that go to sum formula icon, select it, and press enter. Result is 100. Finally, let's move to pro level. This is the fastest and most efficient way to calculate totals using shortcuts. It's help you to save time and work like a professional way. First, select the cell, then just press Alt or plus equal, and see the result is 100. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Advanced Skills BD for more. Thanks for watching!